Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fast-growing fruits that you can harvest in no time. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these fruits will give you a quick and rewarding harvest. No, we're going for speed and flavor. Get ready to transform your garden from a barren wasteland to a bountiful paradise faster than you can say service. So, put on your gardening gloves, grab your tools, and let's get started. First up, we've got strawberries. These little beauties are the epitome of quick rewards. Plant them from mature runners and you'll be swimming in juicy, sweet strawberries in just 4 to 6 weeks. They need soil that drains well, like a perfectly cooked steak needs to rest. Give them a good dose of sunshine, and you'll be enjoying the fruits of your labor before you know it. Forget those bland, watery excuses for strawberries you find in the supermarket. Homegrown strawberries are bursting with sweetness and flavor. So, if you're looking for a quick and delicious return on your gardening investment, look no further than the humble strawberry. Just try not to eat them all before they make it into the kitchen. Next up, we're tackling a bit of a controversial one: radishes. Now, some of you might be thinking, hold on, chef, isn't that a root vegetable? And you wouldn't be entirely wrong. But technically, these little crimson gems are botanically classified as fruits. And trust me, they're bloody delicious. Now, radishes aren't messing about. They're ready to harvest in just 30 days. Less time than it takes some of you to boil an egg, for God's sake. They prefer cooler weather, so sow them in early spring or late summer for the best results. And when it comes to soil, well-drained is the name of the game again. Soggy radishes are about as appealing as a burnt pan of scallops. No one wants that. Give them some space to breathe, keep the water flowing, and you'll be rewarded with crisp, peppery radishes that will add a real kick to your salads. You can eat them raw, roasted, pickled, or even quick pickled for a tangy treat. They're like the culinary Swiss Army knife of the garden, so don't be put off by their humble appearance. Radishes are a fast-growing, delicious, and versatile addition to any garden. Now, for those of you who are really impatient, we've got microgreens. These tiny powerhouses pack a serious flavor punch and are ready to harvest in about 30 days. We're talking about radish, arugula, cilantro, you name it, there's a microgreen for you. Think of them as the culinary equivalent of a shot of espresso. They're small but mighty. And the best part is you can grow them practically anywhere. A sunny windowsill, a balcony garden, even under grow lights if you're feeling really fancy. Now, don't let their size fool you. These little guys are packed with nutrients. We're talking vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, the whole shebang. They're like the health food of the plant world. You can sprinkle microgreens on salads, sandwiches, soups, even pizza. They add a burst of fresh flavor and a touch of elegance to any dish. So if you're short on time but still want fresh, flavorful ingredients, microgreens are the way to go. They're quick, easy, and incredibly rewarding. Chapter 4. Asian Persimmons, Exotic Delights in Your Backyard. Alright, you lot, let's step it up a notch. We're moving on to Asian persimmons, the rock stars of the fruit world. Now I know what you're thinking. Persimmons? Those take ages to grow. But hold your horses because these beauties are different. We're talking about sweet, juicy, orange fruits that'll knock your socks off. And the best part? They're surprisingly easy to grow. Just give them a sunny spot in your yard with well-drained soil and they'll reward you with an abundance of delicious fruit in just 3 to 5 years. Now I know 3 to 5 years might seem like a lifetime to some of you impatient sods. But trust me, it's worth the wait. These persimmons are so good, they'll make you want to weep with joy. Imagine biting into a perfectly ripe persimmon. The flesh is so soft and yielding it practically melts in your mouth. So if you're looking for a fruit tree that's both beautiful and delicious, the Asian persimmon is your go-to. Chapter 5. Asian Pears, a match made in fruit heaven. Now, for those of you who can't decide between an apple and a pear, we've got just the thing: Asian pears. These beauties are like the love child of your two favorite fruits, combining the juicy sweetness of a pear with the crispness of an apple. And before you ask, no, you don't have to wait a lifetime for these bad boys to produce fruit. With a little TLC, you can be enjoying your very own homegrown Asian pears in just 2 to 5 years. That's less time than it takes some of you to decide what to have for dinner. Now, Asian pears aren't fussy eaters. They'll happily grow in a variety of soils as long as it's well drained. And they love a good dose of sunshine, just like me on holiday. Give them what they want, and they'll reward you tenfold. You can eat Asian pears fresh off the tree, bake them into pies, poach them in wine, or even grill them for a caramelized treat. So if you're looking for a unique and delicious fruit tree that won't test your patience too much, the Asian pear is a winner. It's a taste sensation waiting to happen. Alright, you lot, let's heat things up a bit. We're talking about bananas, the sunshine superstars of the fruit world. Now I know what you're thinking. Bananas? In my backyard? Don't be daft. But hold on, because it's not as crazy as it sounds. Now I'm not gonna lie, bananas need a bit of special treatment. They're tropical divas through and through. We're talking warm temperatures, high humidity, and plenty of sunshine. So if you live in a place where it snows 6 months of the year, you might want to skip ahead to the next chapter. But for those of you lucky enough to live in warmer climates, growing your own bananas is a real treat. Imagine stepping outside your back door and picking a fresh, ripe banana straight from the tree. It's like having your own personal tropical paradise. Once they start producing fruit, they'll keep you stocked up for months. So if you're up for a challenge and want to add a touch of the tropics to your garden, give bananas a go. Now for a taste of sunshine, we're moving on to citrus trees. Lemons, limes, oranges, grapefruits, you name it, there's a citrus tree out there for you. And the best part? Some of these beauties can start producing fruit in as little as 2 to 5 years. That's faster than you can say marmalade. Now citrus trees are a bit like Goldilocks. They like their environment to be just right. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right. They need plenty of sunshine, well-drained soil, and protection from frost. But get it right, and they'll reward you with an abundance of juicy, flavorful fruit. Citrus fruits are like the culinary Swiss Army knife of the kitchen. You can use them in savory dishes, sweet treats, cocktails, you name it. So if you're looking for a fruit tree that's both beautiful and practical, look no further than the humble citrus tree. It's a taste of sunshine in every bite. Finally, we've got berry bushes. Blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. The list goes on. These beauties are like the gift that keeps on giving, producing an abundance of delicious fruit year after year. And the best part? Many types of berry bushes can start producing fruit in just 1 to 3 years. That's quicker than you can say, very good. Now, berry bushes are pretty low maintenance, but they do have a few preferences. They like acidic soil, so if your soil is more alkaline, you'll need to amend it. They also like a good dose of sunshine, but they can tolerate some shade. You can eat berries fresh off the bush, bake them into pies, make jams and jellies, or even freeze them for later. So if you're looking for a fruit that's both delicious and easy to grow, look no further than the humble berry bush. It's a very good time waiting to happen. Well, there you have it, folks. A culinary crash course in fast-growing fruits. From strawberries to bananas, there's a fruit out there for every taste and every garden. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, get your hands dirty, and start growing your own little piece of paradise. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!